How to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching. So if you want to fix your Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching, then what you need to do is first you just need simply right click on your taskbar and then go with the task manager. And once you're in your task manager, if you find the application or the game which is Ghost Recon Wildlands, then you just need to simply right click on it and then you will find an option of end task. You need to just simply go and end the task. After that, your problem might be fixed. The next thing you need to do is just simply go with the hidden icon, which will be on the bottom. And here, if you find Steam, you need to right click on it and then just simply go with exit. After exiting, now you need to go with your search for virus and threat protection. And here you may have an option of protection history. If you see the game under your protection history, the game name will be shown. You just need to simply click on that game and allow it by clicking restore. After that, at last, you need to just simply go and restart your computer and it should fix your problem. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.